Let's unbox some wild safari zoo animal toys. We have a huge collection of some zoo animal toys. Brown bear, polar bear, zebra, giraffe. And we have some more zoo animals in this playset. And we have a lot of zoo animals in this other playset. So let's start unboxing. Firstly, we have a pack full of some zoo animals. They are also wild animals. This is a leopard. A leopard has spots on its body. It's one of the most beautiful land animal, which is also the fastest land animal in the world. Next we have an African lion. Lion is one of the wildest animal in the world. Lion is also the king of the jungle. Next we have a wild water buffalo. Buffalo is one of the most dangerous wild animal found in the African forest. They prefer to live in water and they are very difficult to hunt because of their dangerous horns. Wild buffalo. Next we have a cow. A cow is also one of the wild animals and can also be found at the zoo. A cow. Next we have a crocodile. Wow, a crocodile is a reptile which has scales on its body. A crocodile is a very beastly animal with one of the most strongest jaws. A crocodile. Wow, we have an African elephant. Elephant is the most heaviest mammal on earth. Elephants are also one of the endangered species. Wow, we have a wild horse. A beautiful horse. Next we have a wild rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are also found in African forest. They are one of the most beautiful beastly animals in the world. Now let's unbox some other zoo animals. This is the wild safari playset. Wow, we have a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are one of the best swimmers in the world. They can be found in African forest and your nearest zoo. Hippopotamus. Heaviest mammal. Hippos are one of the heaviest mammals. Wow, we have another lion, a lion with a dark mane. Wow, we have a panda. Pandas are one of the most endangered species in the world. They are one of the cutest animals found on Earth. Wow, this is a mountain tiger. Mountain tigers are found in the colder regions. Next we have an Indian elephant. An elephant with a trunk and two tusks. Next we have a zebra. a black and white striped zebra. Every zebra has its own unique pattern of stripes. Wow, we have a kangaroo. A kangaroo. Let's unbox the last playset. Wow, we have a tiger, a white tiger. A beautiful tiger with some beautiful pattern of stripes. Next we have a brown bear. A brown bear is an omnivorous animal. Omnivorous animals can eat meat and vegetables. Next we have a hippopotamus with a big mouth. Hippos are herbivorous animals. Wow, a zebra, a beautiful zebra. Next we have a polar bear, a beautiful polar bear. Polar bears are Arctic mammals which are found in Antarctica. Wow, a giraffe, one of the most tallest animals in the world. And lastly, we have a panda.